OpenOffice Calc, Complex Functions 1. In this clip, we're going to have a look at the nested if statement. In the past, we used the simple if statement, and that function allowed you to display one of two results. If, however, you need to test more than two conditions, you will have to use the nested if statement. In this example, we're going to use the nested if statement to allocate the level of a member of a book club. So they allocated levels according to the number of books that they reviewed throughout the year. Over here we've got the table that we're going to use. So if you've reviewed 0 to 5 books, you're level 1, 6 books level 2, and so forth. We're going to start off with our nested if statement in cell D2. So we can start with equals if, open our bracket, and we're going to select a cell to test. In this case, cell C2, and I like working my way from the top down, so I'm going to start by testing whether cell C2 contains a value that is greater than or equals to 12, and if it is, semicolon, then the computer has to tell us that this particular person is on a level 4. Okay, right, now usually in a simple if statement, you would now just type in the other value for the false section, but we have 3 more values, level 3, 2, and 1, that we need to accommodate here. So instead of just typing in another value, we're now going to add an if statement again. So if, open bracket, and we're going to test cell to C2 again. And this time we're going to test to see whether it's greater than or equals to 9, because that's our next level. And if it is, then this person is on a level 3. Right, semicolon. Once again, we still have 2 more values, so we're going to add yet another if statement. Open bracket. I'm going to test that same cell C2 again, and this time I'm testing to see whether it's greater than or equals to 6. And if it is, then the person is on a level 2. And now the last part, we've got level 1 here for 0 to 5 books. We don't actually need to add another if statement here. We can simply now go type in level 1, and the computer will display level 1 if all of these other conditions that we've typed in are false. Okay, so if you count all your ifs here, we've got 1, 2, 3 ifs. Okay, so the rule of thumb is always you take the number of results that you have to test, or conditions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you deduct 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3, and that's how many ifs you'll have in your nested if statement. Okay, and then right at the end you just need to make sure that you close all the brackets and then press enter. And then you can use your autofill function to copy the function down to the rest of your spreadsheet.